We Fix Carpet. Today we are doing a urine contamination job on carpet. As you can see, this looks pretty bad here. You got all the way through here. So what we're going to do on this one is we are going to actually replace all the tack strip all the way through, and then we're going to cut out the carpet pad and replace that, and then we're going to seal the floor, and then we're going to treat the carpet, and then we'll replace the pad. But after we're done, it should smell nice, no issues. Just kind of want to give you a heads up on what we are going to do. Now we're going to get ready to seal the floor. We're going to seal the floor with an odor sealing primer sealer that's made for urine odor. As you can see, the primer goes on kind of milky and then it will dry clear. This is, like we said, specifically created for urine odor. And also, as you can see here, there's a picture of the carpet that has urine on it, no big deal. Now you can see the floor that's actually been sealed, it's dried. Now we're going to reinstall the tack strip, so this will hold all the odor in. This is the proper way of doing it. And now you see all the excess pad and the tack strip that we removed and threw it out. Alright, we are done with the urine extraction, contamination, deodorization, elimination. So this is We Fix Carpet. So this is the end product. Now of course you can't see the back of it. Now we didn't put the radiator cover back on because we don't want it to rust, but the homeowner has smelt it already. Well, what do you think of the smell, Heather?
It actually smells good.
How bad did it smell before?
I had a headache and I could barely come downstairs to the main floor.
All right, good. So are you happy with this?
I could not be happier.
All right, great. Thank you.
My pleasure.